Today, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from PrizePicks to Apple Pay. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open the PrizePicks app and log into your account. Now, tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Then, choose the Withdraw Funds option. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it's at least $10. After that, select PayPal as your withdrawal method. Remember, you can only withdraw to a PayPal account you've used to deposit funds before. Once you've selected PayPal, confirm the amount and your PayPal details. Then, you'll receive a one-time password, OTP, via email. Enter this code to verify your withdrawal. After confirming, your request will be reviewed. This usually takes between 6 to 12 hours. Once approved, the money will be sent to your PayPal account. Now, open your PayPal app and log into your account. Tap the Transfer Money button and choose Transfer to your bank. Select your bank account that's linked to your Apple Pay. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Once the money is in your bank account, it will be available in your Apple Pay. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money from PrizePicks to Apple Pay.